मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आज हम पढ़ेंगे रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट। टुडेज आवर टॉपिक इज रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट। सो यू कैन सी व्हाट इज द रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. Refraction is the phenomena of change in the path of light as it travels from one medium to another. In other words, we can say when the light passes from one medium to another medium, then the path of light changes. So it can also be defined as the phenomena of change in speed of light from one medium to another. This is the cause of refraction. When the light passes from one medium to another medium, then the speed of light changes. This is the cause of refraction of light. Let's see through the diagram. Here we have a rare medium and a denser medium. This is simply we can take any medium, either we can take a glass slab here, and here is air. So air and this is glass slab. So glass is denser than the air. That's why here we have taken the rare medium and this is a denser medium. Now when a ray of light incident from rare medium to denser medium, like this, here this is the normal. When the ray of light is incident at the interface of rare and denser medium, then at an angle of incidence I, then it is refracted. The ray of light going from rare to denser medium, whenever the ray of light going from rare to denser medium, then it bends towards the normal. The ray bends towards the normal. The ray should go in the same straight path. If the denser medium have disappeared from here, then the ray should go straight. What? Due to this denser medium, the ray of light, incident ray of light, deviated towards the normal, bends towards the normal, and it is refracted at an angle R. The angle of incidence and angle of refraction, they always taken from the normal. Here you can see the angle of incidence I. This is the angle between the incident ray and the normal. Similarly here the angle of refraction, this is the angle between the refracted ray and the normal. Now again this refracted ray incident at the interface here, interface of the denser and rare medium. Now this angle and this angle, both are the alternate angle, that's why both are equal. Now as the ray incident at the interface of denser and rare medium, as the ray going from denser to rare medium, when the ray going from denser to rare medium, then it always deviated away from the normal. You can see here the ray going away, दूर की ओर जाएगी. जब रेयर से डेंसर में आएगी रे तो नॉर्मल की तरफ जाएगी, और जब डेंसर से रेयर में आएगी तो रे अबे जाएगी, दूर जाएगी. इसके बाद लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, लॉज ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. व्हाट आर द लॉज? द फर्स्ट लॉ, incident ray normal at the refracting surface and refracted ray all lie in the same plane. This is the first law of refraction of light. Now second law, according to second law, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is always constant. The ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is always constant. This second law is also known as Snell's law. Here you can see the sine of angle of incidence and sine of angle of refraction. The ratio of these two terms is always constant, where constant mu is called refractive index of the medium. So what is refractive index? Refractive index is simply the ratio, it is defined as the ratio of speed of light in vacuum or air to the speed of light in a medium. the refractive index of the medium. Here medium means what? Here if we take the rare medium, that is air, this is also air, that this is the denser medium. So air is simply a medium, but in here the refractive index mu, that is the refractive index of this medium, denser medium, as compared to this medium, that is rare medium. This is always keep in your mind, and this law is also known as Snell's law.